A Harare magistrate, Tapiwa Kuzai, has remanded opposition activist Godfrey Karembera, widely known as Madzibaba VeShanduko, in custody on allegations of inciting public violence. Salmina Mashoko told that Madzibaba VeShanduko has been caged. Double subscribe or like on the bell icon. Karembera appeared in court this week, charged with incitement to participate in a public gathering with intent to cause public violence following a planned protest dubbed the 1 Million Men March, reportedly organized by War veteran Blessed Geza. Represented by lawyer Paida Saurombe, Karembera was remanded in custody today for a bail application. Saurombe challenged his client's placement on a remand, arguing that the arrest was unlawful and the police had assaulted Karembera during detention. The defense tendered photographs in court showing injuries on his back as evidence of the alleged assault. According to the state, on October 16, 2025, Karembera and unnamed accomplices allegedly conspired to mobilize the public for the demonstration in protest against President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The march was scheduled for October 17 at Robert Gabriel Mugabe Square and Africa Unity Square in Harare. Prosecutors claim that Karembera and others printed and distributed flyers around Machipisa, Highfield, Glenview, and Budiriro, urging citizens to join the march. The flyers bore slogans such as "Stop the looting," "Zimbabwe is not for sale," 1 billion reasons to march, and 1 million mine march. Police allege they received a tip-off about a silver Toyota Aqua distributing the flyers and subsequently intercepted the vehicle along Patrenda Road in Glenview, recovering over 7.2 flyers, while Karembera and 2 others reportedly fled the scene. One suspect, Marvin Mavere, was arrested. The state further alleges that on the day of the planned march, Karembera recorded and circulated a video on Facebook and WhatsApp groups encouraging citizens to gather at Africa Unity Square. The recovered flyers and video footage were submitted in court as exhibits. Karembera's arrest is a drawn criticism from opposition supporters and rights activists who view the case as part of a broader campaign of intimidation against dissenting voices. His supporters insist that Madzibaba VeShanduko is being persecuted for peacefully exercising his constitutional rights to freedom of expression and assembly. Domashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro aiwa pekusungwa aiwa kwaMadzibaba VeShanduko. Pina comment section medu zvafundo imi kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.